Good morning. It is post-op day 5 and I am getting up, getting ready to go to my doctor's appointment. Yes, I'm still at the hotel. I'm getting ready and these drains are cumbersome. Look here. I have to clean them out, measure how much is in them each and every morning before I can even begin my day. Right here, I'm milking the drain, trying to ensure they don't get clogged. Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to my very first post-op appointment, and we will see what happens there. I'm eating some grits, and I am in an Uber, well, a Lyft, and I am on my way to see my surgeon, Dr. Singh. So I will try to keep y'all abreast while I'm at my appointment, but I may or may not be able to because my husband is gone back home, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to juggle this camera and everything else, but I'm going to try. Okay, so we'll see what happens at this first appointment. It would be a miracle to get one of the drains out, but that's highly unlikely. So I'll keep y'all posted. I made it to my appointment, so I'm actually about to go in here and see Dr. Singh. Hi. Hello. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
What's your name?
Alicia Meeks. Okay, y'all, I'm here. I have on a sundress. It's a kind of camouflage. My drains. Well, this is the office, taking a look around. And now I'm getting undressed. So again, 5 days post-op. I'm very swollen, but looking good. I slowed this down just to show y'all. You can just see the swelling, but I wanted you to see my incision. Okay, I am leaving Panacea. Everything went good. Actually, I can take this off. Everything went good. I'm about to walk for a moment. But Dr. Singh was very pleased with everything. She was very excited about my tiny waist, and she said everything is going well, so that's a plus. I'm excited. I'm feeling very tight because they just put me back into my faja and put more foam everywhere, so that's something, you know, that makes me be out of breath and everything like that, but everything is going well. This is cute. Tiny doors of the ATL. Hilarious. Tiny doors of the ATL. Well, so I'm excited. I feel great, actually, about everything. Like, I just feel like I made a great decision. I chose a great surgeon. But she did tell me something surprising today. She wants me to come back in 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. She wants me to come back to Atlanta to see her in person. She cares. I decided to walk to Ben & Jerry's because it's literally down the street from my surgeon's office. So I'm going to get some sorbet. Okay, everybody, today is my first day for my post-op appointment. I just went to it. I'm at Ben and Jerry's having some lemon sorbet. And I decided to do another video because I do believe the videos that I did today were all the wrong angle. So, let's talk about it. Dr. Singh was very, very pleased with my results thus far. So she was very happy. She said, oh my God, look at your little bitty waist. Do you see this? And look at your tummy. Like, even if the swelling didn't go down, because I'm very swollen due to the lipo and due to the surgery, just the tummy tuck itself. So I'm feeling very excited. It feels very compressed and tight right now because they added more foam all around me. So I'm feeling very compressed, but I'm excited. Like, I'm happy. I feel like I made the right decision with the right surgeon. So with that being said, I'm very excited. I'm sorry I'm outside and stuff is flying all by, but yes, I'm very excited and I'm happy with the decision that I made. So that's where I'm at. I'm feeling very tight, and then when they took off my thigh, I felt like jiggly. Like, I felt like a fish out of water. Like, oh my God, I need to get wrapped back up. My cousin lives in Georgia, so she came and got me. Okay, y'all. The problem now is I'm in Walgreens. I'm in Walgreens because I am having acid reflux. So I have to get some Pepcid because the acid is out of control. Do you hear me? So I'm about to see what I can see and get what I can get. The heartburn is really real. Pepcid was my friend from this day forth. Trust and believe me, I use the entire bottle. Now I am at Crab 404 having what do you say for us to sit? This is cute. Oh, Tater, you should have came out here. Okay, it's nice, it's cute. It gets a thumbs up for me so far.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Damn, this man is something else. Let me tell y'all something. This man is on point. He keeps coming and boom, he put the drinks out here. He is on it, baby. He is ready. He is like, did you taste your drink? You just put it here. Let me. Let me taste it. After getting back to the hotel, I made my very first post-op TikTok. Here we go.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.